That's my shoe. It's all fucked up. All sorts of fucked up. Oh, the gimbal. Right here, bro. I think I cooked it, but I don't know. They'll just like, it'll be weird, like them not knowing what the fuck that sound is.
Oh yeah, there's a dude like in Blue Giant, and he's like, yeah, it's like in Blue Giant, bro. Stop playing with me. Yeah, he's like practicing, like I don't know, what's that, saxophone, trumpet?
No, not trumpet, yeah.
Yeah, he's practicing trumpet by himself. So, pretty much a G.
Oh yeah, you saw it.
Oh shit!
Show me some.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Oh my
I
god.
did that, and then
Guys. Oh shit.
I did that.
It is. Okay, well he just fell out in that crap
guys,
right
guys,
there.
look at me, look at me. I have a question. Where does the skin go when you scrape it on concrete?
Oh my god, get this kid out, bro.
Oh.
Bro, this kid literally is.
I was
like
trying to
slipped on
record
there.
his ass, and he was like, "Watch out for the crack." I was like, "Huh?" And I went like this.
He fucking ate shit, bro. He flew all the way to like that third parking spot all the way over there, bro.
I don't even know what the fuck happened.